This is Earl Sewer of Expressed Thoughts, and I thank you so much for watching this video. This poem is titled Death is My End, If I Will Give Up Our Love, and it's a poem about a man who is still in love with his ex-lover.
How can I forget when you said the words, I love you? It is a piece of memory with me, now that we are no longer together. The scars of love in my heart, a heart in preservation, I assume, will last forever. You are beautiful, and it pains me to say, you are no longer mine. We were destined, that I thought I was certain. But everything changed, and this experience, it is new, it is frightening, and it is tearing me in pieces from within. And I am in denial, because my acceptance could be my end. I will have no one to live for, and that is why, even if it is painful, I will give my best to endure. Like a reanimated corpse, my love for you lives. Maybe one day, we can be together again. Until then, I will live in the moments of our past. Because I will end in death, if I totally give up our love.
That ends the poem I wrote. For all of you who still have feelings for your ex-lover, death is my end, if I totally give up our love. It's a wonderful poem for someone grieving from a broken heart, and please do hit the like, share, and make sure to leave a short comment. Thank you, and see you on my next video.